Alright, I got one. Just put on the beat and I'm gonna run through it. I think I got about 3 verses. Check. Turn up the preamp. Hey, in my book of rhymes, just like Nas did. I'ma go through it just like he did. You remember that? I ain't been to this book in a minute. Hey, in my book of rhymes, thinking of a master plan so I can hit it big. In the hood, they call it hitting licks. I'm getting money, so I live a bit. I stay fresh and I party with my niggas, them. I take shots of Patron to the head like it's water. Get drunk, go home, work on the son or a daughter. Smoke me a blunt, detox in the morning. Wipe down the Chevy, hit the blocks in the corners. Gym shorts match the socks and the Jordans. Rented Black Cobra, no top with the spoiler. And watch me do $150 in it. Pick up my Carver Rangers, and hit the city with her. Ride through Miramar just so they could see us in it. Bulletproof billion, feeling like 50 in it. Rapping is my job, stunting is my hobby. I wear a lot of polo to stunt for the Roxy. I smoke cause I got a fetish for kush like Scarface got for powder. I was getting off right there. In my book of rhymes. See if I got one more for y'all. In my book of rhymes. Oh shit, what is this? Take flight with a real nigga. Come closer to your dreams. The boy Bird get chased like some clip liquor. That's from On and On. I did that already. Hey, I said fuck the other side ain't shit. I might beef with Bow Wow if I fuck his bitch. I might clear the whole scene if I up this stick. Thug life, I don't see me giving up this year. Ice billion fucking Bird blowing up this year. And since I got y'all attention, let's get this clear that I ain't never been a rat or a sucker for love. If a hoe wanna hold it, I ain't fucking with her. Them dicks pull my cars cause I fuck with the Bloods and they just wanna find guns or something to stuff. Like that time after Cameo. In my book of rhymes. Shit. In my book of rhymes. In my book of rhymes. Straight drop. I was just venting. All that was venting. That wasn't no song. I was just venting. You feel me? All this old shit anyway. I write everything in my BlackBerry. I don't want that shit no more.